Hi Valor Peak friends! Have you ever wondered what the inside of a whiskey still looks like? Well, today you're gonna find out. I am going to be crawling inside of this to actually scrub and clean the inside of the still. Generally, we CIP to clean all of our equipment, but today she needs a little bit of extra love. Okay, the things that I use to clean the inside of the still when I have to crawl in is gonna be our good old Dawn dish soap water mixture. Can't go wrong there. Then a bucket of a citric acid mixture. And then I have a few different types of sponges and some rags because I'm really gonna get up in there. Okay, Valor Peak friends, now I am officially inside of the still, so I'm gonna take you with me. Okay, Valor Peak friends, so I'm now inside our 150 gallon hybrid copper pot still, and I'm gonna kind of show you what it looks like in here. All right, so this kind of buildup in residue, this like copper and teal color that rims the still, is why I had to crawl in here to scrub it off because CIP just simply isn't getting it off right now, and I don't want any of that in our spirits or to taint any of the flavors when we are distilling. And this pole right here is actually a pressure gauge for PSI. And then this pole right here is actually our agitator, and you can kind of see my boot down there, but the thing that actually spins to agitate the liquid in the bottom of the still. And then all the way up here is actually the copper onion piece that you're looking up into right now, where alcohol turns into vapor before it's recondensed into liquid.